In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up contact groups for invoicing or reporting in Xero. Contact groups let you organize customers and suppliers into meaningful buckets so you can streamline invoicing, segment communications, and run cleaner reports. Think of them as smart labels that sit on your contacts and help you pull exactly the list you need right when you need it. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Contacts. You'll find this in the main navigation. Opening Contacts gives you the central hub for everyone you do business with, which is the perfect starting point for building groups. Next, choose All Contacts. This view brings together both customers and suppliers. Even if you plan to group only one type, say customers, it's helpful to begin here so you have the full list at your fingertips and can confirm who you want to include. Now, switch to the Groups area. Here, you'll see any groups that already exist and a clear option to create new ones. This page is where you'll manage names and membership, so keep it in mind for future updates and housekeeping. Create a new group by selecting New Group. Give your group a clear, purposeful name, something like Wholesale Customers, VIP, or Monthly Retainers. Use a naming convention your team will recognize later, and avoid overly generic titles. This small step saves time when you're filtering invoices or building reports. Confirm by selecting Create. Your empty group is now ready to be filled. Don't worry if you're not sure about every contact yet. You can add or remove members at any time. Head back to your contacts list and tick the checkbox beside each contact you want to include. You can select one or many at once. Use the search bar or filters to zero in on specific types of customers, and consider adding members in batches for accuracy. With your contacts selected, choose Add to Group. A small panel or prompt will appear, showing your available groups. This is where your clear naming really pays off. Pick the group you just created. If you've made multiple groups for different purposes, take a second to confirm you're choosing the right one to keep your reporting tidy. Finally, click Add. Xero will attach that group label to the selected contacts. From here on, you can filter reports by this group, run segmented lists, and create targeted invoice batches more confidently. That's it. Your contact group is set up and ready to supercharge your invoicing and reporting workflow.